Hello, Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what is cybersecurity. I am receiving so many queries related to it. What is cybersecurity? People are not able to understand what exactly it is. They are thinking it is some kind of course or just to securing a specific area. So there is a lot of confusion about cybersecurity, and in today's session I will discuss about what exactly it is. So let's start today's session. When we are just talking about security, why we need security? Means we have something very valuable for us and it can be valuable for somebody else. Okay, so somebody just trying to get access on it without our permission, without having authority to access on it. Okay, so unauthorized access. First of all, somebody wants on our data, devices, software, infrastructure, whatsoever we are having, they just want to have unauthorized access. Okay, another thing, they want to, maybe they are having the intentions to delete the data, services or softwares or some database, or modification unauthorizedly. Means they will change something which will can be huge damageable for the companies. Okay, so when a person, organizations are having that intentions, want to unauthorized access, deletion or modification, we want to protect our resources from these intentions. Okay, and here is just come cyber security, just doing all these three things, and that also called CIA triad. Means confidentially, C stand for confidentiality and I stand for integrity and A for availability. Cyber criminals always in hunt to damage any one of these three pillars of cyber security, we can say. Okay, then what exactly the meaning of, or what just when I'm just talking about confidentiality, integrity and availability, what exactly it is? For example, we are having some data. Okay, so that's our laptop and we are having some data on it. Clear? And some of the data we don't want anyone can see it. Okay, so what we are doing, we are providing a protection in a way so that it can be readable to us or readable to the agreed parties or the two persons who is sending and the receiving, and it can be achieved by encryption. We are using VPN. Lot many things are available to fulfill confidentiality, and attackers always in the hunt how to steal the password, how to steal the keys which used to encrypt, or how to just break the VPN or other things. So they are just trying to damage the confidentiality. Another thing is integrity. When some data we are having here, how just we come to know whether that's changed? If something, even a single point will be addition or deletion or some modification will be there, we come to know whatever this is integrity. The similar thing is also when we are making some transaction or we are transferring some data over internet or over network, then how just we will be assured about, yes, this data is not tampered by the somebody in between the sender and the receiver. For example, here is the sender and here is the receiver, and they are communicating with each other. So whatever the data they are transferring, that only, first of all, they would be able to see it, that's confidentiality. Integrity, if some change will be happen during the transition, we come to know about it, okay. Or some at when the data is at our devices on our data structure, if something changed, we just come to know about it. That we can achieve by the integrity. And another thing is availability. Availability means whatever the resources we are having, either on our devices or on the remote location, when we need those devices, data, services, we would be able to access it. And with the cyber criminals, always like DDoS attack or some kind of other attacks, they just will make that resources busy, so that cannot be accessible to the right user, okay. So in a broad way, it just we will say, yes, what is the role of cyber security in these things. Cyber security will play role for providing the confidentiality, integrity and availability. Whatever it is, whether just configuration of the devices, or the when we are just talking about the rule regulations, or just making the policies, or identifying the vulnerabilities, or threat hunting, or anything else, incident management, risk management, whatsoever that will calculate, or we just try to protect and try to stop unauthorized access, deletion and modification. Here is the role of cyber security, okay. Let's just have some little bit more detail about this one. When we are talking about confidentiality, how the hackers are breaking the confidentiality, they will crack encrypted data, somehow just to find out the encrypted key, okay. Or in the man in middle attack, somebody between the source and destination, they will like tap themselves, or make a correction in between the source and the destination, and will get a copy of the data and can read it. That can happen in the case of the plain text, okay. Or the data leakage or unauthorized copy of sensitive data. Somebody even in the organization, they can steal that sensitive data which are they are not authorized to have access on it, okay. They can sell it to their competitor, or if the hackers will steal the sensitive data, they can sell it on the dark web or to the competitor as well, okay. Or installing some spyware or the malware, so that they can see it what we are typing. Maybe when we are making transaction on internet, they can see what is the password of our account, or what is the account number or the secret number we are sending, okay. That means they are breaking the confidentiality. And integrity, web penetration of the malware insertion, like we are having some database, they are inserting some data into from it, or just deleting data, or modifying data, okay. Or unauthorized scan of the data, accessing that servers, okay. Or the remote control of the zombie systems. Clear. Another thing is availability, how they are breaking with the DOS or the DDoS attacks. Ransomware can encrypt the data, we were not able to access our files, clear. And deliberately disrupt the server room's power supply, okay. They can power off the server room's light, okay, or flood the server with too many requests. So cyber security will always try their best to stop all these kind of attacks, and they want to protect the data, resources, what we are having, our infrastructure. They want to provide the confidentiality, integrity and availability. So overall we can say, when we are doing all these things, that means it is the part of the cyber security. Clear? I hope this will be clear to you, and whatsoever will come, that's under cyber security. So follow me on the cyber security prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share especially that particular session with your friends and group members as well, so that after just watching this session they would know whatever the confusion they were having regarding the cyber security, that vanishes. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about what are the security challenges of embedded systems. Namaste, see you in the next session.